In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Google Slides into PowerPoint. If you need to share a deck with someone who uses Microsoft Office, or you want a reliable offline copy, converting your Google Slides into a PowerPoint file is quick and easy. All you need is a web browser, access to your Google Slides presentation, and optionally Microsoft PowerPoint to open the exported file afterward. Start by heading to Google Slides in your browser, sign in if you're prompted, and you'll land on the main Slides homepage. This is where you can see your projects at a glance, including anything you've worked on recently. Find the presentation you want to convert in the recent section and click it to open. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct version, scan a couple of slides, check the title, and make sure you're happy with the content you're about to export. Remember, you're creating a copy for PowerPoint, so your original online file will remain untouched. With the presentation open, move to the top left corner and click File. This opens a menu with options for creating, importing, and exporting your work. The download tools we need live here. From that file menu, choose Download. When you hover over Download, a submenu appears with several export formats. These include options like PDFs and images, but for our purpose, we want the PowerPoint format. Click Microsoft PowerPoint. Google Slides will package your presentation into a .pptx file, which is the modern PowerPoint format. Depending on the size of your deck and your internet connection, the download may take a moment. You'll see the file appear in your browser's download area, and it will save to your default downloads folder unless you've set a custom location. Your Google Slides version stays right where it is in the cloud. You're simply creating a copy that PowerPoint can open. A few tips to ensure smooth results. The layout and most animations usually carry over well, but fonts are the most common source of differences. If you used a font that isn't installed on the computer opening the PowerPoint, it may be substituted. To minimize surprises, stick to widely available fonts or install the necessary fonts on the machine running the presentation. Also, if your slides include embedded videos, charts linked to live data, or special add-ons, review them once you open the .pptx in PowerPoint to confirm everything behaves as expected. And that's all there is to it. You've converted your Google Slides into a PowerPoint file you can present, email, or archive. Save it somewhere easy to find, and you're ready to share with any PowerPoint user.